Hey guys, so we got our hands on a 2018 Chevy Volt. If you saw the video, this thing had side damage to the two doors, and put on the frame machine, pulled it out, and this is gonna go to paint. So this whole side of this car is getting painted. So we're gonna take the taillight off so there's no hard lines from the tape. So there's these two bolts right here on the hatch, and they're like a T15. So we pull these two 15 bolts out. There's a thing here, there's a screw here. I've never took one of these out, so I'm learning this as much as you guys are watching me learning. So I'm gonna pull this Phillips screw out right here. I don't know what this screw does, but it's there for a reason, I'm assuming. I'll put it right here. Just give it a lot of pressure pulling back, and that's it really. Look at that. That's how, ladies and gentlemen, you take off the right rear taillight. Going back in from what it looks like right here, you got one tab right here that goes into this quarter panel slot. So make sure that this catches this, or else it's going to stick out, and if you push it, you're going to break it. Don't do that. And there's an alignment pin that goes into here. Very simple. Two bolts here and one here. Thing slides out. We will be putting the taillight back in, but right now we're gonna wash it. It's gonna go to paint, so there's no reason to put it back in, but it's very simple. The way you took it off, just go right back in the same way. Watch the other video that we have on the left side taillight. I think it's a little different. And subscribe to our channel.